Okay. So team, are you able to hear me now? Hello team, are you there? Am I audible? Hello everyone. Yeah, please be ready with the data. I will come back. Yeah, please be ready with the content, whatever you have done. I'll give you 5 minutes. Please be open the ID and keep it. Sir, can I change my group as no one is responding to my project group? Okay. Same issue, they are not even communicating. Exactly, sir. I too wanted to change my project group because this is above the reason. They don't even respond. Yes, sir. Same to me. Yes, we few people only responding to our group. Yes, sir. Even in my group, no one is reporting. Same for me. Okay. Now let us take which person group is there. Das. First person is Das. Pujuri Das. Can you please speak? I mean, have you unmuted? Did I unmute you, Pujuri Das? Projuri Das. Huh? Are you there? Are you there? Come on, you are telling nobody is, sir, I want to change the group. I don't want to change. I want to understand what is the problem area first. Why they are not responding? Are you able to hear me? No. Pujuri, can you please unmute and speak? Projuri Das, can you unmute and speak?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, ma, what is your challenge here? Which group are you?
I'm in group 34.
Your voice went down. Initially it was good, now it went down. You are in the group 34, okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Your voice is going down. So, how many people are there in your group?
Around 15.
15 are
Including
there.
me, it's 15.
Come again?
Including me, it's 15.
Good. Okay. Now you tell me, you have been nominated as a team leader for this particular batch?
No, sir. Actually, what happened is I texted in the group that we can at least communicate once, or we can have a call where we can discuss about the project and the presentation. But there was only a few number of people who were responding to it. Everyone
Okay.
was
So, hold on. Who and all are there in the net? Team 15. Sorry, yours is which group it is, Pajari?
34.
Team?
34.
Team 34. Who and all are here? Can you please tell a hi message or put one thing you do, you type 34. Team 34, please type 34. Sorry, what is that? 34. No? Team 34, type 34. No, who and all are here as a team 34. Otherwise, I am going to knock off your name in that group. Then you should not come and tell me which team I am. I don't know my team and all. You should not tell. Shakshi is there. Anybody else? Pujari, you can also type 34. Just to type 34 enough. Apart from Shakshi, Projori, who else is there in team 34? Okay, do you know the names, Projori, which your team who and all are there? Rika is there. Then next is Padalin. Pavan Kumar is there. Okay. I am not sure. Okay. Who else is there in 34? Team 34. Please type. So how do you know it is 15? No. Kameshwari is having the name list. Huh?
Yes, sir. Ma'am uploaded a Excel sheet in
Teams.
Microsoft Teams. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then if you guys can go and see the teams and tell me who and all is there in 34. I wanted to see, sir. My name is not there in the list. I asked one question, you are answering. I told who and all are there in 34. So only 15 should be there. Who else is not there? Because I don't have access to that MS Teams. So Projori, can you just log in and copy that names and paste it here? Or anybody with respect to 34? So who and all are not having the names, you can connect with Kameshwari tomorrow. Now I wanted to fix the issues with respect to who is already allocated, not responding properly. I cannot go and get into that. You need to go, you should ask Kameshwari which team is there. You can connect regularly and do that. If you are telling exams, have you shared that exams timetable to the PMO team as well as your faculty? So I don't want to get into that part. Yes, sir. Even I am want to change my group. See, I am not going to change any group here. There is no point of question of changing a group. I need to understand the bottleneck or the challenges, why they are not able to connect, what is the problem. So that is the reason I am telling some of you, one of your team member is taking the initiative. Why others are not coming is my question. So let me first fix with 34 and then come to the other thing. 34, Pujari, can you, one of you from the team 34, copy the list and paste it in the chat because I don't have access to that particular team. Ma'am is not responding, sir. Ma'am, not tomorrow you connect. She is not connecting today. I think you are not communicating properly. Projuri, can you please share that all the team's name, copy and paste it? Yes. Others, you hold on, don't put any comment. Let me see who and all is not there. You clearly tell them they will be knocking out of that particular team who and all are not responding. Okay, you can note it down. Who and all are responding, Projuri. Some out of this. I'll make the cut short the team and tell that you don't have access. You can just leave. That's all. Why we wanted to waste our time? So I'm putting the names. You need to tell whether yes or no. That's all. Narayan, Teja, Archita, 34. Are you there? Yes or no? I'm going to filter and I'll clearly tell Kameshwari, you can knock off this team or make them a separate team. You will be clearly told that you are not fit for the project doing, right? Why you are disturbing others also who are interested to do? Okay, then this team we will, Teja, Archana is not there. Okay, Pujari, I'm going to tell you one thing later. Banerjee Sakshi has also shared. So you can just connect with them with the respective team. Now I don't want to take. So this is another final update which I wanted to tell because now if I'm going to take, it will take for everything. So one of you from that group, please try to communicate with them for 3 days. Today, tomorrow is being Wednesday. Okay, today and tomorrow, sorry, Monday, today, Tuesday. By Wednesday, you need to tell me if anybody is not there in your group, who and all are responding, we will make only that as team 34. Others we will tell you are in the different team or you are not fit for the team project. Very simple. Why we should waste others and others sitting simply and doing if you are not interested and you, I clearly understand that you will not be able to clear the assessment also. Not able to complete the portions also. Why we need to waste the time? Okay, now I'll take from today's call only. You can only take Projuri, right? Please take the count of your team. Who and all are there today? Similarly, you put it in Excel. Today's date is 16. Who and all were there? 17. Who and all were there? 18. Who and all? 18th, I will just connect once again and I will get and I will freeze your team. Whether it is 3 people, 2 people, others will be knocked out and clearly I will send a mail to them. Please, you can come out of this particular internship. It is not fit for you. Because you may be dreaming something else. You are wasting our time also. You are wasting your time also. That is the only option I am having now. Otherwise, we will put it into a separate group where we will not take the internship activity at all for you. Like that we can do. This is the last chance we can try to do that one. So if you guys are having any other better idea, you tell me. Because now I cannot reshuffle all the teams. Please tell me. Please keep that in mind. Kameshwari has done, that is fixed. Within the team, who is responding? You make a group. I wanted the attendance to be shared every day. Okay. Who and all have created, you can take one Excel sheet and you can have a count of it. Who and all are coming from the day wise, you please put that. Very simple. Okay. So we'll make one Excel sheet and do that one. And in this one only you can upload if I wanted. So that the attendance, 2 types of attendance. WebEx will have one attendance. Please remember that. You cannot cheat that also. Who and all are connecting, WebEx will be having attendance. So group wise attendance you can prepare, or I'll tell Kameshwari to prepare an Excel sheet. You can log in uncheck it, go there and put some color code. $1 present, green color we can put. $1 absent, red color. In that way, we will try to track $1 coming with that respective batches, because batch is very huge, and if you're not showing any interest, why we should waste your time and our time also. So $1 interested, let them go ahead. So now let us go with the 34 batch. 34 $1 there, please type 34 now. You can take the call Puraji Das, you can just count that one. So $1 there, 34, please type 34 among them. Hello? Yes. Shakshi is there. Puraji is there. Satya is there. You can have a separate, this one in Excel sheet, prepare one Excel sheet. Okay. You note down these names. $1 have come as a part of team 34. Similarly, I want everybody to do this task, respective batches. The $1 are coming regularly. I will be able to get the track. Remaining people will send a notice for them saying that not interested. So please take whatever you wanted. We are not going to give the project for. They won't get simple, very simple. They won't get the completion certificate. Please remember that. And after that, sir, I was having that issue. I was having this issue. You should have at least given the notification to your team member or team leader. That is not happening. Then we cannot help. You are hardly having another 15 days or maximum, I guess. We need to complete the task. I don't know how you will be able to complete that. Okay. So have you noted down 34? Yes or no? Anyone? Sakshi, you can only take the call, or anybody. Sakshi Banerjee, you will take the lead of this batch 34. If I don't know whether Kameshwari has done or not, please take like that. You guys do that one and let me know. And please not 34. Please call out for. See, Preetham, I should not do this one. I wanted each one of you in the respective team should do this one. What you need to do, one of you should take, or I will tell Kameshwari, but Kameshwari will be free from 18 to nominate one as a team leader, and they will be responsible for doing that one. So they should be in the position to take the responsibility. If they are not accessing and they are not responding for next 3 days, I told you, you note it down. We will push them to the different team, or we'll tell a notice. We'll send a notification for them. You guys are not interested in doing the project. Simple. So that is why you put a team name. For example, somebody Vinay has told that. So I will tell team 16. These are the list. $1 are there for the day. Let us connect today. You tell. If nobody is responding, you just put that one as in the Excel sheet. So one person should take that in charge and do that one. Okay. So group 3, yeah, Vinay. Okay, group 3. Only 6 people are there. These 5 people members only. Okay, you're telling only these people are responding. Okay, fine. So others $1 are not responding. I told you, I wanted the data in the Excel sheet. Then we can send a mail to them. Not interested, we'll tell them, plus you are not supposed to. Last minute they are coming and joining. They won't get the certification. You will not get completion certification. We cannot wait separate time for you guys. Okay. So you don't worry. $1 are there in your team. $1 responding, let maybe 5 or 10. No need to worry. You just add your names and respond. Is that clear? Wednesday, I will ask this data from Kameshwari to show that $1 are interested, let them do. Okay. So with that, we will phrase this attendance part. Next is your activity part. What and all you guys have $1 are trying to do. What and all you have done. Let us take this team 3 only. Okay, Vinay. So, what is the status? What are you doing, Vinay? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
You can speak. Yes. Tell me.
And we have done PPT also, sir. And
you have done what?
Testing. We have completed 5 test cases.
Very good. In automation, you have completed 5 test cases. Can you just share me one test case and show me how it is written? Satya, have you divided the test cases among yourself, Vinay?
No, sir. Ma'am said everyone has to do individual.
Very good. Everybody will do, and you guys need to discuss among yourself and do. That is good habit. Very good. Okay. So let everybody do that. Now next, Vinay, can you just share so that any improvement areas I will tell you.
Okay, sir.
So ma'am say that just only make the PPT and synopsis, sir. So I will be start on the work on the PPT and
Yes, sir.
in,
My
1 minute, I'm seeing Vinay is. Let me discuss this one. Vinay, test case 1 we will go. Show me the test case 1.
yes, sir.
Okay, driver dot, no, 1 minute, scroll up.
Okay,
Go to the first line. Okay, so this is for everyone. I have told you the coding standard. What was the coding standard I told? In the first beginning of the line, you should have your name. That is, I told that day also, no? Did I tell you the coding standard?
no, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, go to the first line. Press enter. Beginning of the first line and press enter before package. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay. You in this, what I can do, put a comment statement. Put some star, put some line star, put one 10 star or 20 star, you put some 10 star, just like an underlining. Let it be star, something. Put that star, let it continue. Continue still. Like a boundary line. Let it go. Enough. Come to the next line. Put a comment. Type your name. Type name. NAME name you type. A name colon. NAME name. Name colon. Type your name. Write your name. Next, enter. Put a comment. Put a date. Assume that this particular test case you would have done some day. You know, no? Put the date there. Date.
Okay, sir.
Put the DAT date should be there.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Then put the date. All the team members, you should do this one. Date. Okay. Next is description. Since it is a first test case, is a test case number 1 or what?
Yes, sir. First case once.
Okay. Description you write down. Put a colon. Description colon. Okay. Now you write the description of this test case. This test case is related to registration page or login page. What it is?
Yes, sir. Registration.
Type that registration page. Automation of registration page. Automation of registration page means what exactly you are trying to do. You are giving this one automation of registration page of or open. Okay. Automation of registration page. Automation of registration page. Which application?
Open
Automation of registration page of OpenCart application. Yeah. OpenCart application. So if somebody reads, they will be able to understand okay, somebody is doing this particular task. This is with respect to the registration page. Is it clear? Yes or no? Understood? Like this, each and every test cases should be there. Okay. Shubhajit Bose. If you are telling the demo application is not, I'm seeing the chat, demo application OpenCart is not proceeding after checkout. Kameshwari would have told you to install this in your machines. Did you guys do that? Or you are directly taking from the online? Kameshwari, you told, what about you, Vinay? Did she tell you how to install the application in your machine?
Sir, I installed, but while closing the application, it is not opening once again, sir. So I used in demo cart also.
Okay, because demo card there will be some challenges. That is why we have insisted. Just check it out. Why you are not able to install that in your machine? Is there any challenges? You just Google and find out and try to install that application. So that is how you will be able to showcase that one. Right. Okay. Now, registration page. This is then next is you. Okay. You have written the
Excuse me, sir.
at the. I'll complete this one. Otherwise, I'll be in middle of this. Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, even in local host, I was encountering problems with the payment page, sir.
Local host. You are encounter means after you install in your machine,
Yes,
you
sir.
are able to face some challenges with the payment page.
Payment page, sir. Sir,
What
in
was that?
TC7, after the second, third, and fourth continue button, the payment, that is the cash and delivery, the terms and conditions checkbox, it's not clicking and it's not continuing, sir.
Okay. So that will be a defect. Correct. You need to take the snapshot and you can raise that one as a defect. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can log in. Do you have any other test case after that? That is the seventh test case, huh? Checkbox.
Yes, sir. The seventh one.
Okay, you are. Is it happening for everyone?
I don't know, sir. I do not.
No, sir.
For whom and all it is not happening, can you please share your screen and show to her so that she will be able to rectify where is the problem? You try to do that installation properly, ma, once again and see that whether that issue is there or not. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because others are telling. So your concern, you should put it in the chat so that others who are able to do that successfully, they will be able to see share the screen. Vinay, you can just share the screen. We'll finish away this.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Tanish, Vinay was sharing the screen, no? Why don't we continue with that? Yeah, Vinay. See, Aditya, if you have not received the assessment where you should do the response, you are aware, you will be getting another chance. You need to wait. We cannot be follow up with everyone telling today I didn't get, today I didn't get. Only once they will be trying to share the assessment link. Next attempt, they will update you. If that also you are not responding, then it will be marked as Wi-Fi problem. Okay, fine. Others who and all have completed, no, at least one or two test cases. One of you please just now spoke, right? I think Vinay is having some Wi-Fi problem. Anybody else, please share your screen so that I'll give some feedback on it. What are the improvement areas? Yes, no. You guys, please share your screen. Who and all have done some progress.
Me, sir.
Sir,
Yeah,
sharing my screen.
yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
That is, when we are preparing our presentation, there we need to attach these test cases screenshot.
No need to attach the test case screenshot. You need to give the presentation telling that you are doing open cart. You need to give the description of what exactly the open cart is there. But this test case template, you cannot give complete, what I can tell the screenshots, right? It is not possible to give the complete. No. One thing what you can do is in that Excel sheet, there is two things, right? One is expected and actual. Correct. You are trying to take for Excel sheet only, no, for automating. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In the Excel sheet, expected column is there and actual column is there. In the actual column, are you guys writing anything? After come, for example, login page opened successfully. In the actual column, are you editing something in the Excel? If you are trying to do, you can take that screenshot and you can paste it. Point number one. If that is not happening, assume that you are able to successfully complete all the test cases. You will be able to see the results. Yes or no? Because you guys are using TestNG. Definitely results will come.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Results will come. Snapshot of the result and paste it. So test case one scenario, what is that you need to give the description? After giving the description, output of the snapshot. That is more than enough, right?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Got it.
Got it? Yeah.
Yes.
Next. But you need to show during the demo what you guys have done. Okay. And your code and all, we will tell you to zip and send it in the different ways. Don't worry as of now. Okay. Date is there, name is there, description. Hmm?
So I'm running the test case.
Hold on, I wanted to see the code, ma. Don't running the test case is not important. Go to scroll down. You have written. Okay, you already started. Okay, no issues. No issues.
Right.
No issues. No issues. Where is that? Disappeared.
So I closed it, sir.
Okay, no problem. So you have written before test. Before that particular before test, what is that you are doing in that particular method? Setup is there, no?
Yes, sir.
What is that you are doing in that? Launching the browser and
Yes, sir.
opening.
Launching Chrome browser, and my Chrome driver .exe file is located in the D drive.
That is fine. I don't want that. But what is that you are opening? You are trying to launch the browser or launch the application, correct? So before before test method or before method, I want you to write before method. I want you to put the comment what exactly you are doing in that particular method. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Launching the application, open cart application. Launching the Chrome browser in open. No. That is a different meaning here. Launching the Chrome browser in OpenCart. Okay. Launching the OpenCart application in Chrome browser. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
This gives the correct meaning for that particular method. Similarly, you are coming to the next method, registration. Okay,
Yes.
what exactly you are doing in that registration? Put a comment. Automation of registration page. Right? So it understands that in the registration page, whatever is there. Another important point, what I told you in the beginning also, you guys are just copying and pasting. I told you not to do that. You won't get the proper marks for that. Line number 39, you have given what? You have copied and pasted. You have not manually identified the element. XPath.
Yes, sir.
You have not identified manually. By seeing that code itself, easily we can understand you have just copied and pasted. You should not do at all that. I told you to do manually. Did you remember day one when I connected with you guys? I told you to connect and understand manually and try to identify. Yes or no? I mean, I don't know. Just I'm asking you guys. Did I tell you that Lambda? I gave you one link also.
Yes, sir.
You need to do that method. If you do like this, they won't give you any marks. Just for namesake, you have completed. It is copy and paste. Don't do that copy paste work. Manually, you need to inspect that element, go and write that code. That is where the learning happens. Okay. So now you are using that username and password. Good to that you make a mistake so that I am able to easily tell you that where and all that improvement you should do. Then one more thing, they may ask you how, what is that? Have you used Excel sheet for integrating, or have you used any parameterization method? Either two methods are, I told you that day. Either you can use data provider or you can use Excel. What is your method in this particular name? And what you're sending some names, right?
Yes, sir. So I have directly sent the names. I have the Excel jar file over here, but I haven't integrated it into my program. I just wanted a demo to work with first.
Okay. As of now, first demo is fine. But see what happens here. No, the problem here is it is a static name.
Yes, sir.
Send key poll. So tomorrow, if I wanted to change to some other name, I should come to this code and I should do. It is not the right way to do. It should be in your Excel or it should be there in the data provider, all this data. And you should pass from there, either from Excel or from the data provider. Understood? So that if I wanted to change to some other name, I will go to that particular location and I can change. That is second point. Guys, able to note it down? I hope everybody are noting down what I'm telling.
Yes, sir.
You understood, Nama, what I'm telling?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So previously you had shown an example where from the Excel sheet we had to do it. So I remember that. I'll do it.
Either Excel sheet you do or data provider is there. Please try to do that one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And at least each method should have one validation. You have written some validation. Asset.asset true is yes. Asset.asset equal to is a.true. What is that validation you are doing there?
So I'm checking if the user is registered or not. If it is registered once, then it will show that the user is registered user is already registered. It will not register again and again.
ठीक है,
The
fine.
same name.
That what is the proof for that? Do I have any screenshots here? After you registering, have you taken the screenshot?
Sir, I can just run and show it to you.
No. Running,
haven't
I
taken any
understand. See,
screenshots,
that
sir.
is your understanding. I do understand that you have done it. But in real time, if you are going to show this one to the project person, they will not tell you to run and show. Show me the report, they will ask. So that is where you need to show that report, point 1, and also taking the screenshot, point 2. And you will be having that report. See, this is what I did successfully at that time. These are the reports available. Running and showing, it is not the concern at all. Okay, so I'm telling you where and all you need to improve. That is what. It is not only for you, this is for everyone. Please keep that in mind. I'm not pointing only to you. Okay. So now you understood what you need to do. One is application for each method. Second is either data provider or Excel sheet, wherever the data are there. Next. Scroll down.
Hello, sir.
Tell me, ma.
Sir, we have only used test engine from the test case 5. Actually, we have done test case 4 already. After that, you have told that you to use test engine.
I didn't understand. Can you please come again?
Like we have done that 4 test. I have done up to 4 test cases without test engine. Okay, so then after that, you have told that we have to use test engine. So I haven't done the test case 1, 2, and 3, 4 with test engine.
No, please modify that. No, please modify that. It is easy. Same code you are copying inside that. What do you call that method? That's all, right?
Yeah.
You can just create one more new. Don't delete that. Create one more new test case and try to add that one so that everything will be the test engine that will looks good for you.
Focus.
Okay, you have time. That is why I'm telling.
Yeah, focus.
And identifying elements, I told you that problem. And each and every method, either one, for example, you have told you have launched the OpenCut application. What is the proof that you have launched successfully that OpenCut? Either you need to do the validation of title page. You know what is the validation of title page, which we discussed on the day 1 when I connected? Validation, I told you, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Can somebody tell me what it was? Validation in the
title of the
page. Dot title. In Selenium. One minute, I'll just show you that so that you guys will try to understand. Wherever it is needed, validation is very important, ma. That and all will add a value. Okay, you have learned validation. Check whether that element is present or something, some validation you should show. Either get current URL or get title. See, wherever it is needed, you guys can use this link for validation. Or get title you can use, is displayed or not you can use. So at least I'm not telling for all the methods. At least in one test case, 1 or 2 places, do the validation. If they ask, have you done any validation in this particular test case one? Yes, we have done. We know how to do the validation. This is a place we have done, not for all one. We have done for this. But best practice is you need to do for all the methods. That is how you need to practice. And screenshot, at least after completing all the step, lastly you will get one page, right? So that screenshot, at least you should tell that no, whether you have done this particular test case successfully or not. So that is also one way of doing better. Any doubt, whatever you are having now, tell me. Any doubt? Shall I proceed next?
Good evening, sir.
I'll come back. Well, first I'll finish what I wanted to tell. That is why. Anybody is having any doubt in this, please tell me. Tell me what is that good evening you told now? Tell me now.
Sir, actually, I uploaded assignments in PBL app, sir, but it's not showing in my dashboard, sir.
Have you should
many-
enable the checkbox and you need to submit. Otherwise, it will not show.
Yeah, sir, I enabled, sir, but it's not showing, sir.
Is it happening for everyone? Only for you?
Yes, sir. Same problem, sir.
Yeah, sir. Few people.
Which part you are talking about? Tell me. Which one you are talking about?
Sir, I uploaded all the Java topics I uploaded, sir.
Okay.
And I updated.
Java, it is not showing. Oh.
Sir?
After uploading Java, it is not showing. That is what your concern.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me check that one. Hold on. Okay, so you can we will check that on what is the problem later. Okay, as of now, you upload and keep it ready. And I will let you know that what is that problem is there by Wednesday or whatever. Okay, when is your last day of presentation? Have they told any?
Ma'am told like that this week will be presentation is there. Like that, ma'am told, sir.
Okay, so the corrections, first I'll finish away these changes, whatever you guys are doing, no? That one. This is fine. Whatever I told you, is it clear for you? Whatever I told just now, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, another thing is, that day I think I have shared it to Rameshwari using that. Oh, 1 minute. I am just looking to any website where demo project in. Please go on mute. Hello, please go on mute.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Ma'am told that we make the PPT and synopsis our your presentation and our projects. Any type project given to the ma'am, hotel management system is manual testing and automation testing also, sir. So we make the presentation in PPT or sir.
The presentation you can show to you. I'm seeing that code how you are done, so that any improvement is there, I can show to you.
Sir, I will make the every topic a separately. I will make the code only register for that, only for sign up that takes the all the particular different segments. Only check the first register and first again check the sign up and again check the login in the separate file, sir. We are going now.
I didn't understand. You are telling you are having different test cases. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the conclusion in that? Each test cases you need to do separate file,
Yes,
but
sir.
there will be
Separate
actually,
file.
yeah. See, if there are 5 cases, that every test cases you should not write one code. I mean, the code which has been common. For example, launching the browser. For all the test cases, it is same, right? Launching the browser.
Yes, sir.
It should be there in one test case.
Yes, sir.
In one test case, and you need to call that one. That only we call it as a base. I'm just looking for you guys how to show that one. Give me a minute. That will become a base test case.
Can I share my screen, sir? You can see that.
1 minute, hold on. How the structure of the project, how to run the in the Docker, don't want Docker Selenium. Some demo projects we will see how that structure is there with the project. Goal is to support many testing GitHub. I wanted to show you how that program problem structure will be there. You can take any sample one and you can also try that and see how that structure they have done. That is what I wanted mainly you guys to learn. Give me a minute. I will just show you one part which I have.
Should
So
I
first what
stop
you
sharing?
do, anybody have done that method, it will be great. Anybody have done that way, whichever I told you?
Sir, actually, in between the call, you had stopped, so we didn't listen it totally, completely, sir.
Cannot be repeating, no man. You only tell me. Hmm? That's what I'm just looking into. Like this, everybody will be asking. I wanted to show that one. I'm just looking into any projects which is there so that you'll get that format kind of thing. Give me a minute. Sorry. Here also I'm not seeing. Hold on. Okay, I will just open mine and I'll show you how I wanted also. 1 minute. E drive. Where is that I gave project? No. Project. That folder structures I will show you. And that is what I am looking. I'll just share my screen. Let me know you guys are able to see. See, Kameshwari has told that everybody should do. So if you are not there in any of the project, independently you do so that you can be assigned to the other projects when you are telling or when you are connecting with Kameshwari and telling. So right now, if you are telling I am not there in the project, doesn't mean that you should not work. I mean to say, if you are not there in the team, doesn't mean that you should not work. Individually, everybody should work. So why you are worried about which group I am there, which team I am there? You just concentrate on what doing that individually at least. If we don't have a group, see, like this only the folder structure should be there. Yeah, are you able to see the screen? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So your main Java project will be this. What is your project? Internship Selenium project, followed by your superset ID, then followed by your name. Instead of this QUT, what you will be doing? Internship underscore superset ID underscore name. Is that clear? Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, could you please repeat once?
See, this is a project name. It should be name. Yeah? Project name should be in this pattern. Internship underscore Selenium project underscore. What is that project in open card, right? Open card Selenium project. Then underscore superset ID. Then your name. That will be a complete project name so that it is easy for you to track me also. Others, please go on mute. No, if you are not speaking, please go on mute. Intern Selenium project, so your superset ID and name. Is that clear? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Next is you can take the snapshot for this. The how it others please go on mute here. Where should I tell them to go? I don't know. 1 minute you wait down. Where do I mute all? Mute all. Okay.
Kindly remove that person only, sir.
Come again?
Sir, kindly remove that person who is unmuting him again and again, sir.
I don't know. Okay, let us see that now. So, are you able to see the screen? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is a folder structure I wanted you to see. In this SRC folder, you will be having three things. What are they? Base, all your test cases will be in one package, and all your utility will be in another package. Is that clear? These three different things will be. Then you will have a resource folder, configuration, driver files, runner files if it is there, if you are using test.xml file. If not, at least these three things will be there, which will be interconnected. What exactly com.base will have? Create the base class in this package to utilize all the objects here and use @ before suit and @ after suit annotation. Then com.wipro.test case. Second one, place all your test cases here. Com.utility, place all your common utility classes here. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir. But we need to, sir, write the manual testing of the same thing, sir.
What is it? Come again.
Some ma'am given to the project with the hotel management system. So you write the
automation. Are you doing in hotel management system or manual testing? It is
manual testing and automation. Both are there.
I am talking about only automation project. I am not talking in the manual. Manual will not have this. I am talking with respect to only automation project. Is that clear?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Automation already done.
I am talking to only automation. It is not related to manual. So these are the things, whichever is possible, you can implement this one. Okay. See, if I expand that in base file and then test cases, test case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be there. Then resource file will be there. Utility file, if anything is there, you will be there. Like that, the folder structure should be there. Okay, I will show you how it is there when I open the code also. Eclipse E drive, no? 2019.
So can you share this file?
I cannot share this one. It's in the mail. From Wipro mail ID, we are not supposed to share. If possible, I will tell Kameshwari to upload that in a Teams folder. But you can take a pic of this. This is a folder structure. That's what I'm telling. This is what the folder structure I wanted. This folder structure, you can just paste it for your presentation also after completing. If you expand these, what and all test cases is like this, what and all test cases is there, you should be able to show that. Are you clear what I'm telling? Okay. You can also Google and find out what is the purpose of base class in. What is base class Selenium project? Selenium framework, it is also fine. This is nice. He has told create a base class in a Selenium WebDriver. You can see here. Try to understand this one. There are many places you can explore. Everything will not be given handy in the project. Can you see here? He has created a base class here. In the base class, what and all they are given? WebDriver, the introduction, WebDriver part. Okay. He has given reporter.log. This also you should do that later. Then he has given that Chrome driver, maximizing it and getting that URL. Then reporter.log. This is reporter file. You can do that later. But main thing is launching everything will be there in that base class. Correct. And you can utilize that base class here. Public static invalid login extend the base class. Means what? You are trying to use that particular Java you would have learned, right? So you are utilizing that here. Is that clear what I'm telling? That is one way.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or you can also create, I'll tell you, wait, hold on. Just waiting for my, this one should open. 10th workspace. Okay. You can also look into this video. This video is also very nice. Okay. I'll just share it to you in the chat. Why we need to use that one? Yes, you are correct. Inheritance concept only. Why we are going to use that base class? What is the purpose of that? Yes, you would have clearly explained. Can you see a reusable method like screenshots, handling and syncing need to be more. Use base class, we can avoid code duplication. Reusability code as much as we can. Can you see it? Yes or no? Nicely as given. What is the purpose of base class? So nobody has implemented that base class. You can reuse that base class wherever you wanted rather than individually telling. They have given you some small code as well as this one here. You can go for it. I'll just open my, oh, not this one. I wanted to show you guys how it is there. I don't know where I kept that file. Let me open one more and see that. There it is in the C drive. Just now I opened this one. I don't know. E or F drive I showed. D drive only. E drive only I have seen. Somewhere I copied that one. Yeah. It is missing. Others, please go on mute. Others, please go on mute. I should go once again and mute. There is that mute all. I don't know where it went. Okay, let me try last one, D drive.
Arindo Bagu.
I don't know how to allow attendance to unmute. No, I will not remove that. Mute all will do. Yesterday or that day I was showing you guys everything. This is in D drive. I guess this is the right one. Up to 15.
10th June it is, huh? Space. No. This, yes, I got it, I guess. Okay. Now, are you guys able to see my screen? Yes or no? Are you guys able to see my screen? Yes or no? Okay. Now, let me open this open card. See, what are you seeing here? This open card, you are having 3 files, right? And resources, configuration file, everything will be there. Okay. Driver files. If I want to add my driver files, I will add it directly here. Right, runner files, test.ng, XML file you have learned, you will come to know that. Or slowly you can also get all my snapshots, screenshots will be here. See, it is available in one. This is what we call it as a framework. All my screenshot is in one place. I put it there. Then all my driver files is in one place. Configuration file I am putting here. Okay, now let me see what is there in the base class. See, base class only one file, right? What it is that? See what I have written in this base class. All the required has been declared here. What and all files I wanted to declare, everything is there. I'm using Excel file, so I have declared everything here. Driver, see system.set property I have given here. Exiting of that Chrome file I have given. This is a base related. That's what they told in the base link which I've shared you. See screenshot, how to declare a screenshot, everything is from here. You will try to call that in your test cases. See, this is my main test case. I am using this extent, so inheritance concept, and I will utilize that one. Is it clear what I am telling? This is not the right way. You should not use like this. Don't copy and paste. This is not the right way, but here for the example it is there. So you are using that extent and you are using here. Similarly, 4, 5, 6 you will be using. Like that you should suppose to use the test cases. See, my base class will contain the base thing. The next is test case. The next is utility. What and all utility you are having, you can have all that utility in case if you are trying to use it.
See, I am using this configuration file here. Okay, so where is this configuration file? I told you, in resources, I have that configuration file. Can you see here? Let me open that for you and show you. What and all I am having? See, I am having the URL. From here, I am trying to get that URL. So tomorrow, if this URL changes, I am going to use only here. I am not going to disturb the main code at all. I hope you guys are able to understand. See, login page is coming everywhere. So I will identify this login page and keep it in utility, and I'll be calling that. This is one way of doing. Okay, so that is why you just check all these in the Google or find out that one. What and all I told that keywords, or go and download any one of the projects. Selenium projects are there, right? Download and see the structure, what they would have written, how they have written. All these you need to explore, yeah? Okay, let me show you. This is one part I told, right? One more part. Base class over utility class. What is the purpose of utility class in Selenium framework? Very simple. You can see these videos and all later. I'm not able to see like the project kind of thing. That is why I'm just checking. There is anything related to project kind of things, you can be able to connect that. That will help you better. Like one which I showed, like this. All these utilities here they have specified, and resource file screenshots is available in one place. Like this, you should mention it. This is what I am looking for as an output. Is that clear, team, everyone? Yes or no? One more project, let us see. Flipkart. So here he has used only test base and test cases only. And where is the screenshot? No, this is not the good one. I wanted the screenshot also. Let me take the COE funny part. Selenium open cart is not here. North Face project source folder. He has added directly here as an utility. Okay, let me see this one now. Here you are having this base class. Let me try to open that base class. This is a different project. What and all he has given in the base class, you can see here. All the data provider he has given here only. After test, everything is in. Then come to the login page, navigation page, registration page. This is what you guys are also done. This is a normal what and all. You see, it has been extended to the base class. Inheritance concept is there. Web element is given. Some places he has used that static. This is also fine, but some places only. And utility Excel screenshot, everything. So like this, you can either show it in different ways. I think the first one which I showed is very nice, OpenCart one. This is the right way to do. Please go through this like this model and try to do that. All my screenshots should be there in one place. All my this one should be there in the like this I wanted. Will you be able to do that? Yes or no? Can you do that, team? Have you understood the context? How you need to do? Or any question is there? Try to understand why we use this base class, test cases, utilities. These are the three different packages which we are creating. Then we are using resource and configuration. We are taking all this configuration file from here. Why don't you do that one? Is it clear, team, what I'm telling? Yes or no? Will you just work out on this, everyone? Sir, can you share that for our reference? No, this cannot be shared, is what I'm telling. This is the same test case. No, that is why I don't want to share this completely. I'm telling you what you need to do. Like these three things, mainly I wanted to say base, what will be there in the base class. So I'm going to create everything, screenshot. It is one place. See everything, how it has been created here. You want to unmute. If I unmute, everybody will be speaking here. Tell me now.
But I am asking that for screenshot, we just screenshot in our system, then put it in a separate folder containing a screenshot for our project, no, sir?
Yes, like that also you can do. Here he has used very nicely so that everything is available in one place only, screenshot kind. If I want to go and see the screenshot, where I shall go? I'll go to the screenshot folder and I am going to see all that. So he has made in such a way, he has written in such a way that all the screenshot will be storing in OpenCart resource screenshot. This is only this folder. Then I am going to give that name, some name I will give, and then .png file. So everything when I'm trying to execute, it will try to store it in this particular place. Correct now?
Sir, can you automate it for our reference only, sir? Once, like how we save a screenshot using this script.
You wanted to know how this screenshot is working. See, what is this? Because there are some errors in this one that you forget. But you know what is the purpose. Okay, I'll give you this part only. Are you able to see here? So what exactly
Yes,
you are
sir.
doing? You are taking the screenshot. Instead of storing that directly in one folder, what we are trying to do, I wanted to give some name in this, wherever I'm calling, no? This name, for example, let me take, okay. Where is that first one? Test case one, test case. First test case, let us take. Where is the screenshot for that first test case you see? I think he has not used screenshot in first one. No? Name of this. Screenshot. Can you see here? Screenshot. and he
Yes,
is
sir.
giving some name, accessing created. That's all. This is in the main script that is stored in the path. Then what is happening here? Where you are calling, that it will be stored screenshot. If I'm calling the screenshot, it will go to that access one. So where is that screenshot? Just now I showed you, no? In the config file, no, the base file only, no, screenshot I showed you. And this is the test case one. In the base 3 is the one which I showed you the screenshot. See, public string, whatever that, screenshot one, string name. So this name only I am passing there. I'm setting the path, whatever the name, whichever is coming. Okay, it will be stored there. Is it clear? Or what you can do, if you want, you can put it into one folder, every screenshot, that is also fine. If you are feeling difficulty in understanding this. Or you want to say...
Sir, this is a bit difficult, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
leave
sir.
away.
It's too complicated for us.
Leave away, don't want. At least all the screenshots of the test cases should be there in one location. Is it coming that? That is fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can take a whole screenshot of our steps. Then we can put it in one separate folder. Then we can paste that file in our main project folder file, sir.
That is also fine. If you want that format, you can go ahead and do that also, not issue.
Okay, sir.
Go ahead and do that only. If you guys are finding it. See, why means this looks like, no, to see that. Otherwise, you can have it, as you guys are telling, you can do that also, not a problem. Okay. But these 3 files should be there. Will you be able to do that 3 files? Base file, you understood what is the purpose? These 3 files.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
able to?
Yes, sir.
Base, test case, utility files. These 3 things you should show. This looks like a framework. Another point is you need to extend and see all the reports are coming up. In the output data, there will be some reports, right? That reports are coming up. Extend HTML report should be there. Some report you should show. That is output. Defaultly it will come. Some reports will come. Screenshots, anyhow, you guys are telling that I am showing that in the, what do you call, in some folder. That is also fine.
What we need to put in?
Sorry?
So in reports, under reports, what we have to keep, like the output data or what you're talking about the reports, what we have to keep there?
If you are talking about that report, by defaultly it gives you one report for me, correct? In that report, whenever I am using TestNG, defaultly one report, in an emailable report, if I click here, it should give me all the test cases. Can you see here? This is a test case 1, test case 2, test case 3, test case 4. Okay, how many test cases have been completed? This data, it will come once you create that in the this one. What? When you try to create TestNG, by default, you'll be able to get number of test cases passed, number of test cases skipped, number of test cases failed, everything will be coming. In your case, you are doing everything successful. You can do that with test case 1, 2, 3. You can hear what I'm telling. See, this is test case 2 registration. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
This comes default, the extended report will come whenever you have TestNG, these reports will come. This report, what I'm telling, we needed. You can show these reports. Any other questions? Still, worst case, if you are still not comfortable with this, you go and Google for Selenium framework project. There will be some sample projects. Try to understand that sample project. Either in GitHub or somewhere, since you guys don't have this one, you are having your public system only, right? Your private, your own system, you are having personal laptop, you can go and explore more on this. Some framework you should show. Later it may be JUnit or not JUnit, we don't know JUnit, TestNG or data driven, keyword, whatever you want, you can just show that framework, whatever you are trying to understand. See, what I suggested for everybody is to go and use this one. Best simple one, com.wipro.com, my base will be here. Then my test cases, all the test cases will be in one place. All my utilities, whatever I am looking for, will be available in another place. Then all my reports will be there in one place. That is more than enough as of now. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Try to do that. Next connect session, I wanted to see, I told you, what is this? I didn't understand. Same code is what? Rakesh, I didn't understand. So whatever we use it for any website, like, I didn't understand what you are telling Rakesh. Whether you can use it for any website like OpenCart. For what you are asking, I didn't understand.
Sir, one code will write now, sir. For one like OpenCart website, we'll be writing one code, one entire code, like for several test scenarios. So whether the same code can be used for the other websites also?
No. You can.
The URL.
Elements are different. No.
Okay.
How it can be? If you are taking Wipro website and if you are taking IRCTC website, web elements are different. How it can be used? That is why
I just want to refer to one point you said, sir, in middle. That's a URL you have shown, no, sir. URL and some other links that you have pasted.
So basically, he said that.
You mean to say this one in one location of that URL is there? Utility. In the utility. This part you are talking about, utility part.
Yes, sir.
No. That is related to only, I think in config file I would have shown that URL. Yeah. So this is with respect to the URL. If I change some other URL, it will not support because web elements are different. No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why I am giving you this one is I can go and find out where is my URL. I can go. The same application version would have been changed. So at that time, I should not go and search for my code. Where is that and all? Because each and every method will be having that URL, correct? It will be difficult. This each and every method will have the URL to open. It will be difficult. Instead of that, I'll take it from one place.
Okay, sir.
Any changes is happening, I'll change only here. That is the beauty of the framework.
Okay, sir.
Right. See, login page is there. This login also will be coming for all the test cases. Yes or no? You guys will log in all the test cases, no? Instead of writing each and every time, I'll put it in one place and I'm utilizing that. That's all.
Okay, sir. Got it.
My account also, you guys need to create your account and do for each and every this one. Like that is what I'm telling.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Got it?
Login, sign up or register, all test case are the same now, or the ID will be changed only, sir?
I didn't understand. What test case will be same and ID will be changed? Mean to say what?
So we taste the any e-commerce website and you taste work any hotel management system, but we are one time in register and you log in on the website. So first you taste the any website, both website, the register and login and sign up, all three website, the test case will be same, no, sir?
No, test case is different, web element is different. If you assume that you are opening the OpenCart application login page, developer would have used different web elements to identify that particular element. For example, he would have used ID, he would have used name. In another application, he would have not used ID for developing that application. He would have used name. Then now it will get automated then.
Yes, sir. Only for change the ID and ID inside the code or different websites.
It depends because we don't know how developer has been created. We are tester. We need to identify the elements and then we'll try to automate. If you have developed the application, you know whether you have used ID or name. If I have developed the application, I know whether I've used ID, name or different locating strategy. Or I would have not used ID. I would have not used name at all. Then what you will do? Your code, when you try to automate, how do it will try to understand? So that is why we need to identify and locate. See, my login page may be different, your login page may be different web elements, yeah, in the back end. Because my developer will be different, your developer will be different.
Yes,
He
sir.
would have used something else. So you cannot predict that every login page will have same web element is my answer.
Yes, sir.
Did I answer your question or not?
Yes, sir.
You understood? No. See, IRCTC will be having one login page. Flipkart will be having one login page.
Yes, sir.
Sign in. So don't think that both will be same. Outside it is same. In back end, the developer would have used different component, different web elements to develop it. Understood?
Yes, sir.
That is the question. Anything else?
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
So please go ahead and continue. By Wednesday, I wanted to see work as in a team, identify who and all are not responding, and update to Kameshwari every day. And Wednesday, I will also try to connect, or Thursday, I will try to connect. And I wanted to see the final output. At least some progress should have happened. Don't blindly do that. Do some implementation of frameworks. You understood the framework importance, right? Just now I showed you in open cart, right? All the test cases one place, all the base file is one place, all the utility is in one place, all the results are there in one place, all my screenshots are there in one place. So that is how it should be there. So that is why TestNG comes into place. Did I answer your questions? Most of your questions, I guess. So let me wind up now. Please continue, finish that job, and update to Kameshwari tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.